Welcome to month 5 in the Rambling Star Block of the Month video series. My name is Tina Dillard with Quilting Affection Designs. Today we'll be covering block 5, showing you how to make the units and how to assemble the blocks. Also be covering the beautiful fabrics and tools. So let's begin. For block 5, you'll need 2 different colors of fabric. You'll need a white and a gold. Please refer to your pattern for yardage requirement and cutting instructions. In addition to your basic sewing supplies, you'll be using the Deb Tucker Studio 1A Design Tucker Trimmer 1 ruler. You'll be making the following units for this block. 8 half square triangles that will be made into 2 pinwheel units. You will need 1 3.5-inch square and 2 2-inch by 9.5-inch rectangles per block. See your pattern for assembly and cutting instructions. You have already made the half square triangles and the pinwheel units in month 4's videos. So if you need additional assistance, please refer to month 4 videos for help. So now let's begin with block 5 assembly.